These are the steps for washing your hands. 1. Wet your hands with water at the sink. 2. Put soap on the palm of your hand. 3. Rub your hands together and make them bubbly. 4. Rub the back and front of both hands. 5. Lace your fingers and wash in between. 6. Check your hands are all clean. 7. Put your hands in the water and wash those bubbles off. 8. Turn the tap off and dry your hands on a towel.